Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Back and Forth by DJV. So we have normal Sudoku rules, so in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have palindromes, so we've done these before. Palindromes, these lines are called palindrome lines. They are the same forwards and backwards. So if I put 1, 2, 3, let's ignore the complex here. 1, 2, 3, 4 this way. I need to put 1, 2, 3, 4 this way, and this one's the middle, so that's free to do whatever it wants. But basically, these two are the same, these two are the same, these two are the same, and these two are the same. Same with this line, same forwards and backwards. All right, so those are the rules. Definitely check the description for a link to try it yourself, and I will get started right now. All right, so let's start with one of these lines, maybe this one. These two are the same. These two are the same. So let's color this. Let's make this green. Let's make this one blue. Let's make this one purple. And let's make this one orange. And let's see if we see anything interesting. Now, we know green and orange are different. And so where does green go in this box? It's either going to be the 3 or it's going to be this one. If it was this one, it would also be here. I think that works though. Now, one thing we don't, okay, actually, let's first think about whether these are 4 distinct digits. So green has to be different from blue, orange, and purple. In fact, in this, just this green itself sees blue, purple, and orange. So that's good. Blue sees purple and green. Blue does not see orange. So blue could be the same as orange, as far as I can tell. Purple sees blue and green and orange, so purple is distinct from the 3. And then I guess orange could be the same as blue. So orange and blue might be the same digits, so we have to be careful about that. Okay, so what can we do about this? Maybe this other line is better? I'm trying to see if there's anything to do with this first before we move on. Okay, so let's color the other one as well. Let's get rid of this color. So we know that these 4 are different, so that might help. So let's color these instead. And so this one's going to be orange, this one's going to be blue, this one will be green, and this will be purple. And we know just because they all share a column, those are definitely distinct digits. And then this, we could give this a yellow color. So we know that this yellow is distinct from all the other colors we have, and this yellow goes is actually, oh no, it's the middle of the palindrome, so it doesn't clone anywhere. So maybe not as useful, but we can give another color like gray. These are all of our digits. And we know they're all distinct, so that might be helpful. May or may not be helpful. So there's probably, let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. So I'm wondering if one of these colors sees all of these values and therefore is a 5. But I'm not seeing that. So I guess I'm just going to pencil each one of these. That's kind of what I'm down to. This purple sees 1 and 2. So it could be 3, 4, 5, or 6. This green seems to, yeah, also sees 1 or 2. So it's 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it sees 4 as well. So it's not a 4. Right, it sees 4 in this box. These two see 2 and 3. So they can be 1, 4, 5, 6. Oh, they also see 4, sorry. These see 2 and 3 and 4. So these are from 1, 5, or 6. And these two I'm not sure, but what I do know is 2 is not in any of these. So that might be a good clue. 2 is also not in these two, which go here. So 2 in this box, oh, that's very interesting. 2 in this box, actually, if you look, 2 sees up here, 2 sees these two, which actually go here, and 2 is not 4. So we can actually place a 2 right here. And we know that's yellow or gray. And that 2 goes here by the palindrome. Okay, that's progress. We know that one of these 2 is 6 from this box. This 6 looks down. So one of these 2 is 6, which means green and purple cannot be 6. So, okay, one of these is 6 or blue is 6. This is a 1, 5, or 6, but it can't be a 6, so it's only 1 or 5. And that goes here. That's also a 1 or 5. I don't know what color it is. I think it could be green or purple, or it could be gray. So far my coloring hasn't been super helpful, but we'll see. So whatever this is goes in one of these 2 places. Let's fill this column. This is 4, 5, 6. Ah, we can place the 6 in this column. Right. So that's a 6. That's a 6. Blue is now not 6. So now orange has to be 6. It's the only color that can be 6 now. So we found where 6 is. These 2 6s look down. This 6 looks over. That places a 6 here in the middle of this palindrome. All 6s are done. So let's just make all of our 6s orange, just because we are coloring. All right. These 2 are the same. In this box, it's a 1, 3, or 5. It's not a 1, though, so it is a 3 or a 5. Okay, what color is this, though? Is that a good question? Maybe not. We have a 3, 5 pair here in this row, though, so that actually does make blue a 1. That makes this a 5. That's a 3. That's a 5. Green is now 5. Purple is 4. There we go. Okay, it's collapsing now. This 5 is cloned there by the palindrome. Okay, I think I can get rid of my colors now. I don't need them. All our palindromes are done. I think I kind of just drifted my way through this puzzle. I don't know if I found what was supposed to be found, but it was interesting nonetheless. So I apologize to DJV if I missed something cool. But yeah, now we're just finishing up. Just fill all the digits. So I need 1 and 4 here. This one, I need a 3. And these 2, I need a 5 and a 3. Oops, wrong way. And we're done. All right, well, at least I got the correct solution. So yeah, I kind of messed that one up probably. I'm not sure if the 2 was the thing to spot or if there was something else going on. It seems like the coloring didn't help a whole lot. So it probably wasn't that. So let me know in the comments how you approached this puzzle. Maybe you actually did it significantly faster than me today. And of course, if you've been enjoying this content, then why not leave a like and subscribe?